Meaning of hard-pressed.
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 Hard-pressed. The term hard-pressed typically means experiencing difficulty or facing a challenging situation. It can refer to anything from financial struggles to time constraints. When someone is hard-pressed, they are under pressure to accomplish something or to overcome an obstacle. This can often lead to feelings of stress and anxiety. In more extreme cases, individuals may feel overwhelmed and unable to cope with the demands being placed upon them. Despite the challenges, however, those who are hard-pressed may find that they are able to persevere and emerge stronger than before.